Hi there. Now, part of the driving test is the show me tell me questions. Now, this engine's the Hyundai i20 2014 under the bonnet, so I'm just going to point it out. And the blue cap on the bottom side here is for the windscreen wash, and there's you just need to check the minimum maximum on the side of it down there. Tell the examiner. On the far back behind it, the white cap here is the brake fluid, and on the side of it is a maximum and a minimum. Can you see it on the side there? Just maximum there. And then this black cap here is for the engine oil, and then down here there's a yellow stick which is called the dipstick. You take the dipstick out, wipe it, put it back in, lift it back out, and there's two marks: maximum, minimum. Oils got to be kept between them. And then just down here, just about to see it now, the white bottle down there, that's the engine coolant, and there's a maximum minimum on the outside of it. So they're the questions that they might ask you if you actually open the bonnet. And then we'll move around to the outside in a second. So continuing on from outside the car, you've got the minimum tread depth of the tyre. So it's 1.6 millimetres from the centre to the outside of the tyre, including the outer circumference, and there should be no cuts or bulges going down the side of the wall of the tyre. The other question that they're going to ask you is how are you going to check your indicators are working on the front and back. And you need to get inside for this one, so I'm just going to shut the door. And if you look in the centre there, the red triangle is the hazard warning lights. You can see on the dashboard they're flashing away, and you just need to get outside the car, watch the front, check they're indicating, watch the back, check they're indicating, then come back inside and turn them off. And that's the question that they're going to ask on the outside of the car. The inside of the car is where do you find the information for recommended tyre pressures, and there's a glove compartment there with the manual in, and you check the tyre pressures information on there. Go to a garage, a reliable garage, and check them when they're cold. And the other questions could be, how would you demister the front and back windows? Well, that button's the rear demister. That setting there needs to be put onto the front demister. Turn the temperature up, turn the actual pressure of the fan up, check the fans are on the side, and that's the answer for that one there. And then the other one is, how would you put on your headlights? So down here, first mark is your side lights, second mark is your headlights. See the blue lights come on the dashboard. If you push the start forward towards the dashboard, your middle one, blue light, comes on. That's your main beam. I'll take that off so I don't dazzle anyone. And then another one is, how would you know you've got a problem with your anti-lock brakes when you're driving? Well, on the dashboard the ABS sign should come up. And other ones they could ask you is how to clean the front window. So if you just pull that towards us, it's spraying water on it, which cleans the front window. That's how you do that one. And how would you check your power steering's working? Well, it's dead heavy now, but if I start the car, it's gone nice and light, dead smooth, and that's how you know it's working. And then the other one is, how would you check that your handbrake works effectively? So there's your handbrake, and you've got to keep it under control for safety reasons. So you want to put your foot on the brake at all times. Take your handbrake off, put your handbrake back on. It secures itself. Take your foot off the brake. That's that one done. How would you check your brake lights are working? Well, you put your foot on the brake, check behind you, make sure there's, you can reverse.